Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Each time the status of a job changes, you should update its status in the Customers and Jobs list within the Customer Center window. For example, if you began work on a job that was labeled pending, you should update the information for the job to reflect the fact that you have started work on it. You can update a job status by double-clicking the job entry within the Customers and Jobs list, or by selecting the job within the list and then selecting Edit Customer Job from the menu bar to open the Edit Job window. Within this window, click the Job Info tab and then use the Job Status drop-down to change the job's status. When finished, click the OK button to save your changes.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.